Hey everyone, my name is Miguel, and there are two ways to run Dynamo scripts to multiple Revit files. At least two ways that I know of. So the first one is to use the Revit batch processor GUI, which works fine, but you need to open each one of your Revit files and extract your GUI number. There are multiple ways to do this. That's the best one that I know of. And what it will do is, using the Revit batch processor that you need to install in your computer first, get all those project GUI and model GUI. Then it will run your Dynamo script to each one of those models. And what it will do, it will open an instance of your Revit file, then apply the Dynamo script, then close it. And it will continue doing that for each one of your files. So opening each one of them and then applying the Dynamo script and then closing it. Now, another option, really good and that I recommend 100%, is using the bird tool. It's called the Dynamo multiplayer bird tool, and it works wonderful. So you have to have Revit open though. Then you press that tool and you're allowed to find in your local all the Revit files that you want to add, and you will be creating a list inside the plugin. But also you have access to your ACC and BIM 360 files. So you can find them, you can add them there, and you can apply Dynamo scripts in bulk. So that's way different than the Revit batch processor. You can apply multiple Dynamo scripts in bulk to multiple Revit files on the cloud. And that is wonderful. You can decide to either open those Revit files as read-only, or you can synchronize. So it will also synchronize on the cloud. So you can apply different things to your cloud models. Now, what is even more interesting is that it's not gonna open different instances of Revit. It's just going to use the same instance that you have, and it will start opening your Revit files, but inside the same instance, and it will close them. So it will open in the same instance and it will close them, and it won't be using that much space on your computer. So that's also awesome. Let me know what you think.